Yes, you're very welcome. We hope you enjoyed our hanging basket video that we produced back in the summertime. We had intended to do deadheading videos and lots of other videos on how to look after those going forward and various bits and pieces, but due to various technical difficulties and a few other things going on, that didn't happen. However, we have lots of plans throughout 2021 onwards to produce lots of videos with good gardening content for anybody that's interested. So what have we got here, Jacob? Jacob's busy with his what's that anyway? What is that? A front loader? Oh, there you go. So, we had said we were going to deadhead flowers and tell people about deadheading. What happens when we deadhead flowers? It stops them from producing seeds. So, we have flowers here with our Lego, haven't we? So when we pull off the flowers after they die, this stops the plant from producing seeds. It will allow for a new flower rather to grow, and that will, but as Jacob says, when they stop producing seed, they will keep flowering. So if you think of it a bit like, what is the plant's purpose? The plant's purpose is to flower, produce seed for the next generation. So if you stop it from producing seed, it'll keep flowering until it tries to produce seed, and usually something else kills it. So in terms of hanging baskets and pot plants, it's usually the frost or a bit of bad weather. We have our vegetable garden over here. Who's this, Jacob?
Jay.
And who's this?
Ray.
And what's this?
A garden fork.
A garden fork. And this is very good because we can go digging. This is great. I didn't realise there was so much gardening in Lego. We have our garden path, we have our plough and our sheep. You knocked down a tree. Well, will we plant it again?
No, it's dead.
Oh, is it dead? Well, maybe we should plant a new seed in here and a new one might grow. And what else have we got here as well? We have a nice selection of flowers. What's on the front of this Lego? We have it. Lacey's getting a little bit. Lacey, do you want to come up and say hello? Here you come. Oh dear. This is our dog.
Whoa.
I think we'll put the dog out.